Hey gang, this is a cool little tool here. This is from Milwaukee. This is on the M12 line. This little device is got 4 different attachments, but I wanted to show you this. This is the offset attachment on this little driver. It'll allow me to get into a spot. Ethan, come on up here. Take a look at this. This is so tight that unless I had an extension and everything to get beyond that, I wouldn't be able to get in there. But with this little attachment, it can go off center and allow me to get in there. So if I really wanted to, I could take this out, put it in there just like that, and I can get in there and take this handle off without any kind of extension. So this little offset on this little compact Milwaukee driver is really kind of cool. There's 4 different attachments for it, 12-volt system. Links will be in the description below. I just want to quick show you this as we're getting ready to take this freezer out of this room.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.